Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to enable and how to manage the watermark, so how to turn it on or off and how to customize it. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it. Let me deny it for now, and all you have to do is tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner. Now let's scroll down and find the watermark option, which is right here. Now it is obviously turned off. If you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here, and now it will be applied to all the photos. If you want to customize it, just tap on the watermark, and as you can see here we've got the preview of it. So this is the, let's say, default photo, and in the left corner we've got our watermark. What's more, you can customize it by removing this shot with my Galaxy A42 5G, so we can remove it and add our own watermark. For example, it will be HardReset.Info. As you can see, it immediately appears on the preview, so if you are happy, just tap on done. And now we can go back to the camera. Let's take a picture, so let's tap on the shutter button and let's check the preview of it. And as you can see here, we've got our photo with our watermark. Of course, if you want to remove it, just go back to the settings and tap on the switcher here. Let's get back, let's take a photo, and as you can see on the preview, the watermark is gone. So actually that's all. This is how to manage the watermark in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.